In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a rank math plugin on WordPress dashboard. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly. First, I'm going on my WordPress dashboard. So just click on plugin, then click on add new plugin. Here are type rank math. Then you are find out to type of this one, and it's already 3 millions of plus install and 6,000 of plus 5-star review. So just click on install now, then again click on activate. So it's already working right now. So now just you need to input just some informations, example purpose, connect your account, Google account, your nickname, website name, etc, etc. Just give him, then you are able to use this rank math plugin. I hope you are able to this work perfectly. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.